Good afternoon, student. Today we will discuss about constellation म्हणजे तारका समूह in the worlds of star. In this lesson we will discuss about it. Before that we will discuss always remember. Always remember there are 6 points are there. First point is that the place of for a sky watching should be always from the city, and as far as possible it should be a new moonlight. आकाश निरीक्षणाची गरज जागा शहरापासून दूर व शक्यतोवर अमावस्येची रात्र असावी. Second, binoculars or a telescope should be used for sky watching. Binoculars you all know, and the telescope that's also we have to use this type of equipment to watching the sky. Then identify the pole stars in the north makes the sky watch easier. Hence, the pole stars should be used as a reference point for sky watch. The stars in the west set early. Sky watching should begin with the stars in the west. Constellations. There are 88 constellations in our overall universe, which we can see. A group of stars occupying a small portion of a celestial sphere is called a constellation. म्हणजेच खगोलाच्या एका लहान भागात असलेल्या ताराच्या गटाला तारकासमूह असे म्हणतात. Some of these stars appear to form certain figures of an animal, human, or an object. These figures have been named after a certain event or a brief of the time when the constellations were identified. In this way, Western observers have divided the statistical spheres in 88 constellations. Similarly, ancient Western astronomers put forward the ideas of 12 zodiac signs, whereas the Indian astronomers suggested the 27 nakshatras. Complete one revolution around the earth in approximately 27.3 days. The portion travels by the moon in one day is called nakshatras. So if we divide 360 into 27 equal parts, each part is above 13 degree, and 20 stars that is contained. This brightest star is called Yogatara. This brightest star is called Yogatara, which nakshatra we can see during a sky watching depending upon the positions of Earth along its orbit. म्हणजे या ताऱ्याला योगतारा असे म्हणतात. आपण आकाश निरीक्षण करतेवेळी पृथ्वी भ्रमण मार्गावरती कोठे आहे यावर कोणते नक्षत्र दिसणार हे निश्चित होते. राशी म्हणजे झोडियाक साइन्स ज्या असतात ते काय असतं, सूर्य ज्या आयनिक वृत्तावर फिरतो त्या आयनिक वृत्ताचे 12 समान भाग काल्पनिकरित्या केले जातात. म्हणजेच प्रत्येक भाग हा 30 अंश सेल्सिअसचा आहे. या प्रत्येक भागाला राशी असे म्हणतात. मेष, वृषभ, मिथुन, कर्क, सिंह, कन्या, तुळ, वृश्चिक आणि धनु, मकर, कुंभ आणि मीन या 12 राशी आहेत. Here we completed our constellation, zodiac sign and nakshatras. You have to write down some information about zodiac signs as well as the nakshatras and send me today. That's it for the day. Thank you.